Hello students, once again I am in front of you with further topic of chapter 2nd for trade to territory for standard 8. Dear students, in earlier videos we have just studied and see that how Britishers just expanded their territories, right? And few of the regions by attacked by them and few of the regions with diplomatic policies just implemented and just got the territories. Till that now you have just seen that how the different regions have just controlled, but few of the regions are just remain till now. And in few of the regions it was also seen during that time that there were a lot of struggle was done by the Britishers to annex those regions, right? So today I will discuss few of the regions and few of the challenges faced by the Britishers during annexing of the remained area of the Indian territories, right? So dear students, no undoubtedly Britishers just faced a lot of challenges to acquire many more regions of India, right? Dear students, let us see here. Now as you seen that Mysore was just annexed, you just seen Maratha was just annexed, right? Bengal was already in control. But whenever you will see the situations of the Karnataka, right, then you will find that Karnataka regions, during the Karnataka region annexations, the Britishers had to face a lot of challenges, right? If you will see the story of that place, you will find that the Chanamma, she was the ruler of the Karnataka during that time, right? Chinamma, the place of a Kittur, right? Chinamma was a place of the Chinamma name of ruler, and she was ruler of Kittur. Kittur is just in Karnataka. Kittur is just in Karnataka, right? Whenever you will see the condition, then there is not only one woman, Rani Lakshmi Bai, who just contested a lot against the Britishers, right? Apart from the Rani Lakshmi Bai, there were so many women who fought during the annexation by the Britishers in Indian regions. One of the women like Rani Chinamma, who played very crucial role and just give a strong oppositions during the annexations of the Britishers, right? Dear students, actually what happened, you will see, when the Britishers were just acquiring and annexing the Karnataka, Rani Chanamma just started and take their arms and led an anti-British resistance movement. Means very easily and very comfortably the Kittur was not annexed by the Britishers. Britishers has faced a lot of challenges because their rulers Rani Chinamma just raised their arms and anti-resistance movement was just started by her, right? Apart from Chinamma, there were so many others women. You have just listened the story of Rani Durgavati. She also contested against the Britishers in Assam, right? The same way, when Rani Chanamma just started anti-resistance movement against the Britishers, and she very bravely fought with the Britishers. But what happened? She was lastly arrested in 1824. She was arrested in lastly in 1824 and just put up her into the jail where in 1829 she just got death. Right? Means no doubt she got arrested, she got death, but it was a beginning for the peoples to do against the Britishers. Right? Very easily and comfortably, Britishers do not get victory. Right? But after the death of Rani Chennamma, the anti-imperial movement was not stopped. Her movement was just led by, forwarded by her chowkidar, a poor chowkidar named Rayana. Means you can think a poor people has also a sentiment toward their nation. A, a great possessiveness, right, towards their independence. And the poor peoples just also not wanted the ruling of the British. So this Rayana, a poor chowkidar, was a representative of all women, all poor people who do not want British ruling, right? So what he did, Rayana, a poor chowkidar of Sangoli in Kittur, carried on the resistance. In one line, just try to understand. Rani Chennamma Chowkidar, Rayana, just led the movement, just started by the Queen Rani Chennamma, right? Lastly, once again, he was just caught and hanged by the British in 1840. No doubt, he gave a strong resistance, but finally, what happened? He was just arrested and Britishers just give him punishment to death sentence. And in 1830, he was hanged. The meaning to say that, no doubt, after a long struggle by the Britisher, finally there was control over the Karnataka regions. As I just gave you one example of this Kittur region, such type of many examples for the Britishers who just faced a lot of struggle during annexation of India. Now, we see few examples more. When you will see the map, actually, dear students, right now we don't have map, so I am not giving you accurate information, but just I am trying to give you. Whenever you will see the map, like this is the map of India, right? I don't, I have very bad experience of the painting. So whenever you will see Karnataka just placed here, right? You will see this was the Bengal regions. These are the different regions was just controlled by East India Company earlier. Now you will see these regions was untouched. This northwest region was untouched by the Britishers. So just Britishers just wanted to get control over this northwest regions, right? For this northwest region, what just happened? See here, one of the most important regions of worried of the Britishers, that during that time just Russian Empire just expanding their territories. So, and you also know there was just fighting between the Britishers and the Russia, right? So it was the issue of the worried for the Britishers that from this region, whenever you will see the world map, right, then you will find the Russian Empire which was just controlled. Russian Empire which was controlled, and it is very close to the northwest part of India. right? So it was just thinking of the worry for the Britishers that it may be possible that the Russian just comes out through the northwest region and just fought with the Britishers. So it was objective of the Britishers that how can we just get control over the northwest regions. Whenever you will see the regions of the northwest, then you will find the Sindh, Afghanistan, right? These are the Punjab. These are the regions from where from there was not control of the Britishers. दो लाइन में आप शॉर्ट में समझने का कोशिश करें कि डियर स्टूडेंट्स, होता यूं है कि ब्रिटिशर्स ने कर्नाटका को विन कर लिया, ठीक है। कर्नाटका को विन करने के बाद उनके माइंड में ये था कि कैसे अब और रीजन्स को जीता जाए, ठीक है। तो उसको हम लोग देखेंगे अगले वीडियो में कि कैसे अगले रीजन्स को, मतलब कि पंजाब को कैसे जीतता है और क्या क्या ब्रिटिशर्स को एक्सपेंड करने में, टेरिटरी को एक्सपेंड करने में क्या क्या चैलेंजेस का सामना करना पड़ता है, उसको हम लोग देखेंगे अगले वीडियो में। थैंक यू, हैव ए नाइस डे, एंड एज सुन एज पॉसिबल जस्ट ज्वाइन योर Google Classroom. Thank you. Have a nice day.